Nagpaborot mi og balloons. Dagan kayong balloons ang bibi. Dagan kayong balloons, bi? No. Balloons air is anywhere.
Nagkuhan ito.
Sa to lang, awariha lang.
Medium.
Hello, what's up everyone? It is 12 in the midnight. And look at Cliff.
Cliff.
He's totally awake. Yeah. And it is Cliff's birthday. And I think Cliff is really excited with his birthday. Because right now, he looks up. Then he wants to play with the balloons there. Balloons.
Baby, lagi. Napakuna ka, anak. Lagi. Cliff is so happy with his oh, baby. Hindi na, hindi na. Hindi patay. Ugoy. Bye. He's not playing with the flashlight. Cliff. Cliff, matutong ka. Huh? Baby Redcliffe. Redcliffe. Why are you awake today, baby? At this moment, at this time, why are you awake? Are you excited for your birthday? Are you excited for your birthday? Redcliffe. 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 Jangan, kamu kalau nana. Oh, sedap, sedap. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Redcliffe. How old are you? How old are you, Redcliffe? Redcliffe, how old are you? Redcliffe. White ink ma? Na? Redcliffe, happy birthday to you. Huwag ka magbasa. Wala.
Happy birthday to you. Hello, oy. How old are you now?
20, oy. Ay, iso din mo ba ka? Kailangan lagi matulog ko. O di ko, o.
Redcliffe.
Nga sa isumpay. Storya.
Redcliffe.
Gidawat lagi, gidawat kita. Pagdawat. Go, yun yung ko balong bro.
Gabi na lagi niya. Sa'yo kasi ni mata ganiha. Alas 12. O niya kita sa mga balon. Munaog siya kay magduwa.
Ay, abi ka ulit niya, kayo po.
Ano, Chiko? Ayaw po doon, Chiko.
Ay, wala
Ha?
lang ba?
Ansay mo ingon na? Iyatag, Chiko. Ansay mo ang ingon? Anta? Redcliffe? Ansay mo ingon? Asan mo ka?
Abi yun eh. Ayos ako.
So Cliff received her first birthday gift. It's a food. It's a grahams. It's like mango grahams. It's like mango flow taste. Thank you. Thank you, the cake. Hey, little, little, the cat and the fiddle. Oh, baby. Asa ang baby? Yeah, asa ba? Asa man ang red? Yeah. Asa ba yung red sa baby? Yeah. Yung naka-red sa outdoor, baby? Naka-red sa outdoor?
Ay, kamo, yung anak niya dyan mo. Nandiyan yung dugo.
Naka-red sa outdoor?
Sabi nga red.
Yeah. Yung naka-red.
Nya, madago na, wala na yung red. Nagubos na lang na red. Nagubos na yung red.
So everyone, so we're done preparing our backdrop. And Cliff is so... Okay. Ay, balit eh. Okay, san?
Ay, dito kami kaso. Ako hindi ako good.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Dugdan! Tulong na,
Dito, Tito Ryan.
So for today's video, it is almost time for Cliff's birthday. And we have our preparations. And that's all, and thank you. So we have this. This is my design. That is design. That is so cute. That everyone. And here are our dishes. We have this legend. Don't get in fancy. And that one, and that, and there, and that, and there. So that's our potahe for today. And that also. So what's up, everyone? So we are ready for our celebration. Redcliffe, what can you say? Redcliffe, happy birthday! Oh, let's go outside. Oh, go na outside. Yee! Ano mo na ang baby, oy? Ano mo na ang baby? Hello, everyone. So, we are now ready for this birthday. What's up, everyone? So for today's video, mag-unboxing si Cliff sa ilaha. Wala! Mag-unboxing si Cliff. Mag-unboxing si Cliff sa iyang gift. Yay! With the biggest gift. Asa man ana? Asa man ana yung hobby? Tinabi, oh, so big, no? So big. Isa mo na yung first. Isa mo na yung first. Isa na yung from Papa. Kani from. Insa gani from G1. Kani kinsa man ni from. Ni Insa ni siya. Ay, madam di. From madam. Ngala. Ikaw gani. Dali usa ko napilit. From madam. And this one from Auntie, from Daddy and Cyrus. And this one from Daddy Buddy. Asa na naunahan, Bi? Asa ka na nakukayo? At ito sa pinaka, yeah. Bi, ayaw ko na. At ito sa pinaka big. At ito sa pinaka big. Siksikan mo yun ang pinaka big, Bi. Alibi! Ay, sige. Ay, si Mama lang. Ikaw lang, Mabi.